Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I'm an avid baker and I recently needed to do a cake for a baby shower. And I came across this perfect decoration for the baby shower cake. It's easy to use and I think it has the sweetest little message. It has a really cute gold glitter surface and the size is exactly what I was looking for. It was packaged very carefully, which is important because it arrived safely. And I was able to place it in the very top of the cake and it perfectly finished off the entire look that I was going for. The mom-to-be and all the guests were really impressed with how beautiful the cake was. And I really have to say, this cake topper added a flair, an elegance, and the perfect message. So what's also perfect about this cake topper is that it's gender neutral. So if you're doing a baby reveal or if you're doing a baby shower, you can use this for either gender. It's perfect cake topper for a baby shower cake and I'm very pleased with it, and that is my point of view.